Okay, so this week's programming tutorial is the slot machine application, which is given in page 380 of the book. And this is basically simulating a slot machine where you click a button and then a bunch of pictures pop up. And if like all the three pictures, and here there's three pictures, and if all the three pictures are the same, then you are very lucky, you get a lot of money and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll basically do something like that in Visual Studio. So we have to go to we have to browse for the files which have already been done for us. So slot machine solution, and this should be already there. Oh, I don't know why I'm opening up a new folder. I need to just open up that project and work from there. Alright, so here is the part of the project that's already done. Slot machine, click here, exit button. And then we have to add images here using the image list control. So then oh, sorry. Then what we have to do is basically go to our uh, components toolbox and drag and drop an image list from here to here. And then we have to add some images to this image list. So click on this task box and choose images, and then add images from here, I think. So all these images. So I'm basically selecting all at once by hitting the control button and doing that. So all these buttons are selected together, and then I hit OK. So all these are selected now as part of the image list, and so that's that part. So now the image size of the image list should be changed. So let's change that. So it should be 126, 150. Oh, sorry. Let's check it's still the same. Yeah. And the image bit depth should be changed to depth 32-bit. Okay, so that's the image list part. Now the coding of the whole program. Now this is for the click here button. So once I click here, some random images should start appearing, and the final image, if all three are same, we are lucky. So I don't think this is needed. This was my accident. Now exit button code has already been done. We have to write the code for the slot machine. So first we define a number of variables, rand gen as the random pseudo random number generator. Pseudo meaning it's not really random, it's just programmed to look like random. So we'll be generating our random integers, and these integers will be used as the indexes in the image list. So these integers the image list will use as uh, the stuff to choose images from the list of images. So what's gonna happen is that once I do the click here button, then the there will be 10 sets of 3 random integers being generated by the click here button. 10 sets, so meaning that there's gonna be like 10 different images appearing here. So it's gonna loop for 10 times, and there's gonna be a bunch of images, and then it'll stop. And if the final image is all three are same, we are lucky. So to do that, we have this random generator. We have a left index. Let's do it in this case as integer. Similarly, we have a center index and right index. So these are basically the indexes for the left, center and right images. So the index appearing here is used to choose the corresponding image in the image list. And now after defining this, once the user clicks the click here button until the whole process completes of a lot of images being shown, the user cannot click here anymore. So I have to disable it once I click it for a certain amount of time. To do that, it's click here button dot dot enabled is equals to false, so that the user cannot click it until the slot machine completes its job. Then now I have to define a for next loop so that I can generate 3 different images 10 times. So for that, I'm using for then spins, that's a new variable, that's the counter of this for loop, is equals to 1 to 10. I'm gonna put spins here. Now now I have to generate random numbers in the left index, starting from the left index. So the first instruction, the loop body, generates a random integer from 0 through 5 and stores it in the left index variable. So left index is equals to randgen, which I already defined, dot next 0, 6. So it's up to it can generate any integer from 0 to 5. Remember, this is done in a weird way. The maximum number to be generated is actually the number you input here is actually greater than the maximum number you want to generate. It's is greater than that by 1. So if you want to generate numbers between 0 to 5, you need to put 6 here. If you wanted to have numbers between 0 to 10, you have to put 11 there as examples. Now after that left index has a random number, I need to assign that number to an index in the image list. So that's the left picture box dot image. So the image in left picture box is equals to the image list one dot images dot item left index. So whatever is in the left index variable is taken as the index of the image list, and then whatever image is that is assigned to the left picture box image. And after showing an image, I need to stop for a while, refresh, and then go at it again. So I need to have the me.refresh and then system dot threading dot thread dot sleep for 50 milliseconds, so that I get that smooth transition from one image to another. So a refresh and a pause. And now I'm gonna do the same thing for the center image and the center index and the right index and the right image. So I'm just gonna copy paste these two and change the left to center in all cases. So it's the center picture box, this is center, and this part stays the same, and this is for the right. So I have the code ready to loop through random images for all three picture boxes. So that part of the I'm basically done with the for loop. Now I have to check whether if all the images are same, meaning that the indexes of the list box image from here are same, then I will say I'll have a message box popping and it'll say congratulations. So if left index is equals to center index and also let's capitalize, and also left index is equals to right index, then you see what I did here. If the left and center are equal and the left and right are equal, meaning that the images are all equal, then pop up a message box dot show. Having hard time using this keyboard, so show congratulations, and then winner, and then message box buttons, oops, dot OK. Let's have a space here. This does not look right, so I'm gonna change it manually. Buttons dot OK should be capital, and then message box icon. Why does it not capitalize properly? But whatever. Information icon. Okay, so the message box will pop up once all three images are same after all these loops. So the last three sets have to be same, or sorry, the last set of images should all be the same. And then finally, once the whole process is done, I have to re-enable the click here so that the user can again try his luck, his or her luck. And then bring the focus back to the click here button. So I'm gonna write my name on it so that I can say I did this, even though I'm just following orders here. 10, 29, 15. Alright, so this should work now. Let's see. Click here. Awesome. So I'm not lucky. Try my hand again. No. 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 Anyways, I think today is not my lucky day, so that is the tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun with your own tutorial.